Meaning of foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange. Foreign exchange refers to the exchange of one country's currency for another country's currency. It plays an important role in facilitating international trade and investment, as well as enabling individuals to conduct transactions while traveling abroad. The foreign exchange market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with daily trading volumes exceeding trillions of dollars. The exchange rate between two currencies determines the value of each currency relative to the other, and can have a significant impact on global financial and economic activity.